Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone, so we love it when they provide feedback and a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think that we're the right business for you. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.